What is up, everybody? I'm Ernest Ramos, and today we are picking up a skateboard. Let's go. Woo! Yeah. Exway really did a good job with this one. Ooh. I like the grip tape. It's got this finer grit. It's less coarse, but it's still gritty as heck. I can feel it already. Yeah, so this is the belt-driven version. It's so nice to see new wheels, so shiny. Yeah, so it's got their proprietary forged trucks. Belt tension seems okay. This is a bit tight compared to this one. Whenever you get a new board, it's best that you go through everything, all the hardware, look at the screws, check, just check, are they tight, and especially if you're using a belt drive, check if the belts are too tight. Sometimes they come in with the wrong tension from the factory, so it's always a good idea to check on that. Got one of these bands. I guess this is instructions. Yep, the manual, as well as warranty information. A love letter from Exway, some stickers, and yeah, a letter. Okay, moving on. You have your charger. It's 1.8 amp, I think. I bring my glasses. I'm not wearing my glasses right now, so yeah, it's not easy to read to me. And the remote, standard Exway remote. You got your LCD screen here. I wonder if turning on this remote will turn on the board. Nope. Nope. We'll set that up later. And the skate tool. What's in here? Is everything else in here? Nope, nothing in there. Yeah, so that's pretty much what comes in the box. Now, my first time standing on an Exway Wave. Yeah, this comes in really loose from the factory, I guess. I might have to tighten up the trucks a bit before I start riding really fast. What is going on down there? Hopefully the weather holds up. And just like that, yeah, the weather did not cooperate at all. So this is like the day after the typhoon. See, from some of the trees are still down, there's still a lot of debris on the ground, so I can't really go fast. Looks like they lost their gate. Yeah, so because of the deck shape, the stance on this board is a bit shorter than what I've been used to, even on the Boosted Mini. The Boosted Mini, I basically stand at the edge of the nose. Yeah. I don't know if it's, I'm still in safe mode, I think. Because, oh, come on, climb the hill. Yeah, Mark is gonna kill me if I don't get this setting right. But I am on full throttle, and I gotta ask him if it's possible to just override the safeties of this. It's kind of annoying. So, I think I'm getting there. Yeah. It's more like it. Yeah, I know the safe mode that this board comes with is for beginners. Originally, I had planned to take the full 10 kilometers to disable beginners mode, but right now, because of the storm and the rains, I sort of don't have that much time anymore. Ooh, the brakes are good when you got it in free mode. I wonder if you could just cheat the board and just turn it over itself and just run it continuously until you get that 10 kilometers. Oh, yeah. Alright. See, I like how this board feels like a carbon. Very precise, actually. Now that I got the truck's more or less dialed into how I want it to be. It's a bit more, what should I say? It's got a nice bite. Is that cat dead? Holy cow, is that cat dead? Are you dead, kitty? Are you dead, kitty? No, you're not. It's probably another safety thing, but the brake bite is a bit weak. It's not linear. Or maybe I am expecting a bit too much from the brakes. Yeah, kitty cat. So yeah, watch out for the full review of this board. Consider subscribing so you won't miss it. Whoopee doggy woggy woggy doggy. If you liked what I did here, it's just a raw ride. Just riding around, getting a feel of the board. Got questions? Leave in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. So see you next week.